let's just pretend that didn't happen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, my name is Ella, and you should subscribe because I upload videos every single Saturday, and it's a very good vibe. So recently on YouTube and TikTok, I have been seeing a lot of people do at-home photo shoots for Instagram photos since we're all quarantined and we can't go anywhere. So I thought it'd be really fun for me to try this out, especially since I am not a photographer in any way, shape, or form, as you guys could probably tell from my recreating album covers video. So without further ado, let's get started. If you've seen any of the DIY photo shoots on TikTok and some on YouTube, you've definitely seen this one before. You basically just take a toilet paper roll and tape it to the flashlight of your phone, and then when you turn on your flashlight, it makes the perfect spotlight, and you turn the lights off and you can take a really cool photo. Okay, so I'm in my sister's room because she has a blank wall that I can use for this. So I put the toilet paper roll on my phone and we are going to see if it works. Yay! Okay, perfect. Okay, so ignore the fact that I'm wearing sweatpants, but I got the setup going. And I think I'm gonna take them with my glasses off because I don't want a weird light reflection in my glasses. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to edit, but I think we got the pictures. So I am now going to edit the photo. This is the photo I chose, so I'm gonna open PixArt and see if there's any cool effects I can add to it. So this photo was probably the easiest out of all of them, which was surprising to me. I expected it to be a lot more difficult. And this one is also probably my favorite out of all of them. This is just the picture unedited, and here is the finished product. I'm obsessed with it. I just put kind of a bluish tinted filter on it, and then on PixArt I added a little vintage overlay. So this first photo I'm going to give a solid 9.5 out of 10. So the next idea I also got off of TikTok. I saw a video where a girl basically took a paintbrush and held it over her eye and did a tutorial on how to make it look like you are painting a part of your face. Found one. So I have these paintings in the corner of my room, so I think it might look like cool and artsy if I took it in front of these paintings. Okay, so here's what we got. Hi. Okay, I look really sad in that picture. Weird. I am so awkward in photos. Alright, it didn't turn out exactly how I want, but I think we're just gonna go with this one. You're so cute. Okay, so this one I definitely struggled with. I was able to take a pretty good picture, I think. However, one of the things I didn't think about was I cannot edit photos to save my life. So when I went to edit, it took me a good 30 minutes before I got something that I thought kind of worked. So here's the unedited photo and here's the edited. I think it turned out okay. I'm not super proud of it. It technically worked. I just think if I was better at editing photos, it would have came out a lot better. So this photo, I think I'm going to give a 4 out of 10. So this third photo is something I've seen a lot of people do on YouTube when they do at-home photo shoots. You just hang up some white sheets somewhere and just pose in front of it. A lot of people use flowers or plants or something to decorate it with. So I have some white sheets and we are going to see if we can hang it up on this here closet. Okay, here she is. It's very wrinkly. So I actually just replaced it with some sheets that weren't as wrinkly. They're still wrinkly, but it'll be better. Gonna get some flowers and then take the photo. So I got some flowers. And this one was actually surprisingly difficult to shoot. So I kind of got a little bit frustrated, so I just decided to stop for the day. And so the next clips you're gonna see are from the next day. So update, it is the next day. I'm gonna put the white sheets back up here and we're gonna try the flower photo again. So the sheets are back up and I also decided to wear this floral shirt for this picture just to add a little bit more color because I feel like with the white turtleneck there's just too much white in it. I think we got it. So I finally got a picture I was proud of. So here's my picture unedited and edited. I decided to add glitter to the photo because I thought it made it look a little bit cooler. So I'd probably give this one a 7 out of 10. I like the way it turned out, but it was just a hassle to get done. And for the last photo, I decided to do the iconic Vogue challenge. So if you don't know what the Vogue challenge is, it's basically a trend that's going on right now. People are taking pictures of them posing in ways someone would in a magazine. So the idea that I have is I have these 3 mirrors and I think it could look cool if I like looked into one of the side mirrors and it would reflect onto that and I'm like looking at the camera. I don't know if that's a good explanation, but you'll see when I do. Also means I have to clean all of this stuff off my vanity. So I'm gonna go do that and do my makeup and I'll see you in a bit. So I just took everything off my vanity except for this fake plant and these perfumes. Okay, so I have everything set up. This is basically like what I mean, like me looking at the camera through the mirrors, and then I'll put Vogue on top. So this one took a lot of preparation. However, I am very proud of the way it turned out. The way you get the Vogue logo on is there's basically an online template you can use. So here is the picture unedited and edited. I am really happy with the way this came out. It turned out a lot better than I was expecting. So I'd probably give this one a 9 out of 10. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are bored during quarantine, I do think this is a really fun activity to do. And of course, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!